First of all, can we have Albert Welding, Sergeyev?
Hi. Thank you very much for coming. Hope you had a very nice porridge. My name is Sergey. Yeah.
Good. And you have 10 minutes.
Yes,
Go.
sure. Okay, thank you. So my name is Sergey, and let's speak today about the future of metal welding and cutting today. So today, the problem is that to cut and weld metal, you would need 3 different bulky and heavy machines, which is totally inconvenient to switch all the time between them, or to have one bigger machine, which is totally expensive and big and bulky and not very convenient. But we have a solution. This is patent pending Albert Welding 3-in-1. It's the most lightweight and the most compact 3-in-1 welding machine and cutting machine ever in the world so far, right now. So at the moment, there is no any other machine, including combining 3 different functions like MMA, TIG, and cut function of the same size and the same weight. So we have patented our machine. We have utility model registration and design protection. You can basically use it in any field, from your private house or your shipyard or anything where you're working. This year, the market is growing very big, up to $25 billion, and we're going to grab 2.5% of it. It's almost 44 million euro. So our business model is pretty simple. We're going to be sold through a chain of networks of like Motonet or Biltem or Tools. We start with Finland, then we are spreading out to Sweden, Norway, Denmark, etc., etc. We are also searching for a strategic partner, who we can work with by OEM model. We in totally at the moment we have raised 150,000 euro. We have finalized our R&D. We have now we have moved from the prototype up to a production model, which can be sold and marketed right now. And we have finalized with our patent, registered it, and now we are raising 500,000 euro on the Funded by Me platform, for example. And this year we're going to produce around 2,000 pieces of machines, and next year we're going to earn about more than 1 million euro. So at the moment, currently our valuation is 2 million. And we are offering this is our investment opportunity, investment offer. We're offering 25% for 500,000. And this money will be split into 2 parts. 50% will be spent for production of machines that will be shipped to the shops. And 50% will be spent for marketing and promotion in the shops and online. So it's very competitive, highly attractive machine. You can, by the way, you can touch it and you can try it. It's very small. Everyone is big. Everyone is heavy. Everyone is. By the way, our machine you can wear on your shoulder like a suitcase, and it gives you free hands, so to speak. One of the most important things we've done during our R&D, we significantly decreased our production cost. We managed to do this with the team of experienced engineers who have over 10 years of experience in production of welding equipment, by the way. So we can offer big margins to our distributors, up to 50% and more, maybe. So this is our major competition, beginning from 14 kilograms 3-in-1 machines, and over 1,000 euro at the moment. We are getting pre-orders. Pre-orders are coming to our website. We are not in the shops yet, but we are moving to it. So we are collecting pre-orders at 750 euro per piece. This is our core team. Of course, we have a bigger team, more engineers coming in. This is a core team. And we have one Camaflow international partner. This is a seed investor. So we are ready to be launched. And end user advantages: 4 and 6 kilograms, small size. You can wear it on your shoulders like a suitcase. You can also weld very nice beams. You can work with stainless steel or copper. And it's lightweight. It's very nice to work it right out of the box. You have everything. You have the kit right when you open the box. You can start. As I have already mentioned, we can offer up to 45-50% margin to the distributor if we choose this model. When we don't collect pre-orders, when we go offline. It looks different. It's very, and by the way, our shops, our sales partners can also upsell a lot of stuff together with our machine. For example, air pumps or nozzles. It's always like that. So it's very popular. By the way, this is the core, the essence of our patent. This is the soft mode, so to speak. So when we save our transistors and power plant group, it enlarges the lifespan of the machine. So it serves you longer and longer. These are, and by the way, you have all the necessary kit inside of the kit, or accessories inside of the kit. Has the mask, the welding cables, all the 3 kinds of welding cables, earth clamp, shoulder strap, everything. So thank you very much. Any questions?
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Sergei.
Yeah.
Any questions?
Yeah.
Please.
Yeah.
What is your monthly burning rate currently?
What is your monthly burning rate?
It's around 20,000.
And you have the machine there.
Yes, you can hold it. If you like, it's very lightweight.
Please.
Yeah, what's the customer feedback so far?
Yeah, so we tested officially with several different companies like Motonet and Kempi and KKR Steel, Kessler, for example. We have these reports, and they're very they liked it. So it survived, for example, a 2,000 hours endurance test when it was loaded for a long period of time, non-stop. So it's very they like it, but good, not bad. Yeah. Did I answer your question? Yeah. Okay.
All right. Thank you once again.
Thank you very much.